I think it makes us feel as if we're 12 years old again. It's that great neighborhood gang that you had when you were 12, and you had a fort built out of pieces of plywood and a special cap that meant that you were, a real member. And it's fun. This is the Old Ladies Against Underwater Garbage. We have formed about 5 years ago. And so we take out the trash that's fallen for the last 150, 200 years. At the end of every dive, we come ashore with all this stuff. And people around us say, oh, that is so disgusting. That is so slimy. You are so brave to do this. And it's just the opposite of what we think. We think, wow, this was so cool. Did you see that? You never know what you're going to find. You never know what you're going to see. The ponds are the last remnants of undisturbed natural beauty on Cape Cod. They've never been built on, they've never been crossed by trails. They are the last little remnants that we've got. And let's keep them as pristine as possible. For the enjoyment of people? Nah, not for me anyway. It's for the enjoyment of the fish, occasional eel and the snapping turtles and the musk turtles and the painted turtles. We do it for nature. We're on the side of the natural world. By the end of half an hour, we have people saying, gee, this is our pond and we're proud of this pond and we need to take better care. I've decided that there's no one force that's going to help turn around our attitude toward nature, because our attitude toward nature has got to change. It is our home, it is what we breathe, what we eat. It's more important than we are, and we've got to become citizens of a common world. We really are up for improving the water quality in every way we can, help the health of the pond, and so that's our job.